Do do do. Okie dokie. Okay, welcome everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me whack that up there. Good morning. Okay, so let's get into this. Wow, quick. So yeah, good morning, guys. It's a new month. It's July. It's July month. And this morning we have a little bit of CPI news there for Swiss, but realistically here there's nothing too much. A little bit of Euro news every so often. So Euro JPY can be quite hard with the manufacturing PMIs coming out. But for the most part, it is all good. So let's get this up here. Right. First of all, let's take a look then at Goldie. Wow. So I basically explained on the weekly outlook yesterday that I would want price to make some support to continue bullish. It did this, which is very, very nice. And now we're pushing back up, which is good. So in terms of the daily candle, as I said, you know, we've bounced off this support again. Okay, so I'm actually quite bullish until we get below this whole area, because we keep on respecting it, and the buys are always pushing harder than the sells in recent times. Last week, that's where we got kind of hurt through taking sells in this area, so I want to avoid sells there. Daily candle is bullish, right? It just made a lower wick, it flipped. The 4-hour candle just closed. It closed bullish, you know, 20 minutes ago. This new 4-hour candle is making a lower wick. It obviously still has a little bit of 4-hour resistance there. Take a look then at the hourly and the 30-minute time frame. As I said, we're stepping up. You know, overall, we are stepping up here. We can start to add some supports on. So here, 1914 is the support we're holding right now. I just add that on. Let's add the 50% on to the Asian low, like around there. Very, very nice. I keep that like this. So in terms of now, I mean, yeah, we do have a little bit of resistance a little bit higher up, 1921. However, the zone above, if you actually look at this zone above here, if we start closing above, yeah, like here, 1922, what we're looking at here is quite a clean range to go up. So you can see here we push up quite nicely, push down quite nicely, push up quite nicely, push down quite nicely, push up quite nicely. So here we move very, very nicely, okay? So the first TP of initial buys there would be this minor one first, like here. That would be quite easy to get to. So that's already like 50 pips already. And then obviously your runners can do some damage. You can maybe get it to 34. Okay, right at those highs again. Or you could even run it to like, you know, 38. And then 38 is where the real buys come, because this is all very nice and clean. 38 to maybe 47 would be very, very nice. But in terms of closures, yeah, I think above there would be great. And M on gold, take a look. I think I can't really see that on the 5 here. I know what you mean. I mean, it's maybe here a little bit of an M, but it's, I don't know. It's kind of like 3 M's, but the main thing is that we're overall quite bullish, so we need to be at a resistance, and we're kind of above the resistance now. I know on the hourly we're not, but on the 15 and the 30, I think this is too choppy on the 5, if I'm honest. It's too choppy on the 5 there. So yeah, I want to be a little bit cautious with the M's, because right now we're still very, very bullish. Counter trend. I know we're at resistance on the hourlies and the 30s, but I think for me, This M is not formed yet. It's a little bit choppy price action. So yeah, definitely buys above here. I'd look to take 1922. 1922.295. Okay. So that's where we could potentially take buys if we get above there. I think that would be great. Let's take a look at the 15. How does it look? Yeah, that's where all the support is. So I think that would be class. And before that, yeah, I mean, you know, we might step back down, retrace a little bit, but I think for the most part, quite nice. Is there any levels that could act as order blocks? Yeah, so if you look here on the hourly, this is the candle before the push and break. This could be quite a big level here. So we may have to go tap back down to there, then maybe make some support to continue. You get the 50%, and you'll also maybe have, you know, at the time maybe a celery or a W. So it might be areas that you could take buys off if it comes and retraces, like to 1917. So that'll be quite interesting to see. So already got an order block. Actually, you can see here on the 30, you can reduce this a little bit more now to like here. That's the candle before the push. So yeah, maybe some sort of retracement, maybe some sort of support over here to then continue to take buys later on. Would be nice. Sells, as I say, I'm not asked in the slightest to take sells. Every single time we've pushed down, it's always been a pain in the ass after one push. So I'm really not asked about taking sells until we close on the daily below this huge level that we tried to do on Thursday, sorry. So yeah, buys of 1922 is what I'm looking at, or maybe some retracement buys when we come back to here, because again, you know, we're just stepping up. You know, I could just come back down, make some support to continue, and the higher time frames, yeah, 4-hour close bullish. So yeah, it should just make a little wick here, should maybe come back down and then retrace and push up. In terms of GJ, daily candle, oh, it's got quite a big gap, eh? I have to use FXCM today. Sorry, Wanda. Yeah, okay. So daily candle closed bullish. As I said, you know, in the weekly outlook, very, very, very bullish GJ. You're just going to wait for the retracements. The 4-hour candle closed bullish, didn't close above resistance, so it's still respecting these highs for this moment in time. Take a look at the hourly and the 30. So you can clearly see here, like, yeah, on the 30 minute, you can see this resistance, which is here. Like this. Let's just put this on box 1. Okay. Then we have a support, which is around here. 183, 150, like that. So this is the overall zone we're playing with right now. The zone below for sells for me is still, it's not the best. We have a big, yeah, we have a lot of resistance around these areas. Not too happy with taking sells. Obviously, for the fact that we're still so bullish as well, I'm not asked in the slightest to take sells. Only buys I'll be looking at really at the moment. So in that case, I mean, yeah, we've got to wait patiently for, I mean, a closure above. You get the highs again. As I say, I don't really want to be taking the highs. I want to be taking the retracement. So in terms of actually this morning, through Asian, this was the trade that I would have wanted to take, somewhere around here, somewhere that price bounced off. Let's take a look at the hourly. How did the hourly look in that area? Yes, if you look at the 15, was a little bit of an icy there. There's the celery. Was there a 5-minute W? Yeah, there's the one there. Maybe class this as a W. Price came down, retrace, down, retrace. There's the W with it. What about above 1920 for a buy? 1924.5. I mean, you could do, yeah. How big is that? So if you wanted a closure above like there, the issue is there's only 16 pips to the resistance. So is it worth it? Oh yeah. Or would you rather wait like 60 more pips more, and then you've got such a nicer zone, you've got 50 pip zone above. That's the only issue. So I think for me, I'd rather wait until we get above there. Oh, let's get this coffee in the go. How was everyone's weekend though? Did you guys have a good time? I had some friends up. It was nice to see them. Let me do this. Let's get the coffee on the go. But yeah, I do expect this to retrace a little bit and then start coming with the buys again. So yeah, weekend was good. Very, very nice. Dennis, my man. Let's take a look. People in the chat are coming in. Oh, nice. Andrea's in the building. Com effects. Oh, I saw that thing you sent me of Dave. That was sick. What a G. Francisco in the building. So yeah, I think the buys on both GJ and gold are gonna be good. GJ's a little bit hard because again, look how high we are. So it's a little bit hard. As I say, you know, I want to take the retracements. So like the moves that I'm looking at to take is like these here. Okay, like maybe one there. These here. So when price makes a high, comes and retraces, and then buys again. Okay, that's what I'm wanting to take on GJ. They're the buys that work very, very easily. They're not too hard to find. You know, we took this one on Friday. Yeah, how was everyone who took that trade on Friday who stayed in? Were you guys happy? Like right there, 183, 100 was a great level to take it off. It's nice. Top wick for the month for the goal on the monthly. As long as it doesn't break previous monthly high, then sell that bitch down. Yeah. Yeah, so I think Dom was also saying as well, and I agree. You know, the monthly candle closed bearish again, still below, so it is bearish in the monthly. I'm just very cautious of this daily level here from last month. So I gotta wait for this to close bearish, like below here on the daily, and then I can look to take sells. You know, here. I don't want to be taking them here. The sells are just not playing out. They're so slow, and they tend to be quite hard. So I'm going to leave that. Hello, back to charts finally. I like ID for gold buys, looking for the same. Yeah, they just gotta wait for some retracements here, or closure above, depending on what. I want to sell. Yeah. I don't know, I just think it's a little bit too bullish for a sell at the moment. And yeah, like I was looking here, like every single time that we pushed down, it was either an Asian or like, you know, an instant push and then a fucking range for 3 hours. So, and you can see every single time we come again bullish, the candles are so much greater in terms of push. Bearish ones just weren't happy in this area at all. So the sells were painful in that area. So best you just leave it alone there. And yeah. Oh yeah. Did anyone take anything through Asian? Did anyone look to take anything through Asian? I'm trying to think of what you could have taken. I think that celery would have been alright though, to be honest. This one here, what time is that at? Yeah, 4 o'clock. Very early. But yeah, this week's gonna be fine. Apart from Friday, Friday's gonna be hard. As I say though, I'm going on holiday on Friday, so I'll not be there for you guys to play with that fuckery. But yeah, NFP. Also, Governor Bailey speaking. Yeah, it's true, Salam. But in this, just this whole area for me, like this here, from there to there, this just does not give me any sort of sells. It just fucks around. Like, that was horrible. That was horrible. That was horrible. This rejected hard. This was very slow. It's just, yeah. Max, do you still have a funded account? And if so, what profit? No, I don't. No, I do not. But I still think it looks like FTMO is still the most proven one. From what I hear, what people say in the chat. Yeah. Fuck that bitch. Just Fuck that bitch, Jeffica. Wait, is that the one? Is that the last who did funded talent?
Yeah, the owner.
Yeah, what the fuck did she do? She just dipped after. Didn't she? She just dipped. Everyone was like, what? People got like fresh challenges and shit, and she just like, oh, sorry guys, we're leaving now. I was like, what the fuck? People just finished, like, I remember like speaking to people and they'd like finished their phase 1, finished their phase 2, just about to get it, and then she fucking said that, and they're like, what? That's rough. That was rough. Hella rough. How was your last week? Did you take some trades on the Friday?
Yeah, I ended the day off negative a little bit, but I had such a good like couple days before. I just took like $1,000 L, and then I just chilled the rest of the week.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's nice, bro.
How was your weekend? You have a good weekend?
Yeah, it was good, man. Good to see everyone. We were chilling, playing some games. Oh, we have this like Hitler game. It's fucking hilarious, bro.
Oh, a Hitler game?
Yeah, it's called Secret Hitler. Like, it's like two people are fascists and one person's Hitler, and then like 3 other people are liberals, and you have to find out like who's who, and you have to like make sure Hitler doesn't get into like into like a role where he could fucking kill you. Fun. It's hilarious when you're stoned, man. It's great fun. And then we did some karaoke. I lost my voice a little bit.
How long's your flight to Miami gonna be, Max?
I don't know yet. I'm still undecided. I'm not gonna lie. Because I had a bad month, and I feel if I go there, I can't just go for 3 days. I have to go for a week. And also, if I'm there for a week, then it's just another holiday on top of a holiday I've just been on. Like, that's not fair, bro.
You know what yourself best. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Exactly. I feel like if I was there for another week and I wasn't on a holiday just before, I think I'd probably go. But nah, I can't let the group fucking be empty for 2 weeks. Bear in mind we missed a full week in June as well, so fuck that.
I respect that.
Yeah. You gotta grind this month.
Yes, sir. It's the halfway through the new year, man. It's crazy.
Oh yes. But yeah, July last year I think was quite hard as well. June, July last year were the hardest months. I do remember that. They were pretty slow. But it's just different ways. Like, there's so many ways to have got in last month. It's just a little bit harder entries. Getting in a little bit earlier. That GJ one on Friday was fire, man. Fucking bastard.
Yeah.
That's a great push. Beautiful. But yeah, it's definitely just not going break even enough. As long as you've got support and you're chilling. But when you're breaking into a new zone like this one down here on gold that we took, we've got to go break even. Just run it. So yeah, this holiday is gonna be fun. I'm back on the tablets though with my skin, because skin just gets bad again, man. But the thing is, it makes me sensitive to light, so I'm gonna be like black in the first like 2 days. I gotta bring some factor 50. So that's my eyes, gang. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing well, Carlos, my man. Kiko, your Snapchat stories are great fun. I like watching them. He's chilling with his mates all the time. It's good vibes. So GJ, yeah, I mean it's just range between 185, 183, 800, and 183, 156. In terms of what would people think with GJ? Because it is at the highs. There is a little bit of a level here as well, which is going to be interesting to see how it reacts to. But yeah, I just don't like any of the zones on GJ for the cells, to be honest. Same kind of thing with GJ, you know, they were quite slow, these cells here. They were never promising. Man, days pass like waterfall, blink of an eye, and it's end of the month. Yeah, it's so quick. So good. I'd say from the age of, I think I said this before, but from the age of like 17, 18, man, time just went so quick. Apparently it goes quicker as you get older. It's like, what? Any quicker than this? I can't even believe it's summer yet. Like, it's fucking middle of summer, it's July, bruh. I thought it was like May, April. It's gone so quick. Finally got 100k and I'm doing buy and sell strategy for fun. Very nice, well done. Looking for buys around 183, 100. Yeah, like in this area maybe. We'll take a look at the lower time frames when we come into it. Is it like acne because I've received meds like one time and it's fixed now? No, it's something different. It's something different. It seems to be always in my hair. Where there's hair, there's like issues. It's just itchy. So I think it's something else. I just can't be asked. The NHS is fucking wanky. It's literally the biggest piece of shit I've ever been to in my entire life. I go to the doctors and every single time I go, it's a new person. So I have to explain my whole journey to a new geezer every time. Like, why can't I just speak to one fucking doctor who knows me? Like, I'll make a relationship with one of them and doing really well. Next time I see some fucking goon who's never seen me ever before. It's like, oh, can I not just see one person? Yeah, it's not the best. 3 years all together learning, including our trading, or 3 years profitable. 3 years being live streaming, really. Yeah, NHS is only good when it's something serious. Yeah, that's very, very true.
Yeah. Yo, for some reason I can't unmute my mic.
What, can you not?
I don't know, my PC. Guess I'll just do it like this.
Good morning, Kika.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ready to have a nice little week over here?
Hopefully.
Yeah, I think these goals.
I'm always ready for a good week.
Me too, man. Me too.
I think these gold
on Sunday, I'm like thinking, is this week gonna be good?
Even though the monthly on Goldie's looking a little bit bearish now, I just want to flip this motherfucker back up. Yeah.
It's gonna make the top wick, and then like that shit's gonna hit right before the previous monthly high. I know it, and then it's just gonna tank.
Yeah, 1988, 87 is where all the resistance comes from, eh?
We should get some buys.
For sure. It's been bear. I mean, if you look actually overall as well, it's been bearish quite a lot with trend recently, but now we're starting to change. Now we're stepping up, which is why I wanted these buys here. But obviously, Asian did that. You listened to Uzi's new album? No, I have not.
He did like a promotion party for that, and he got tired of his own music, and he's like, turn that shit off.
Oh, I saw that. Yeah, he's like, turn that shit off. I'm sick of it. I always thought that. Like, what do you like? If you play your music, obviously you must like it because you made it. But like, I think that'd be so fire, like making your own music and then people liking it and like fucking know all the lyrics to it as well. That'd be so fire.
Yeah.
Were you -% last month, bro? I was, yeah, bro. I like -2% or something.
Last month was a tough month.
It was tough mentally. Holy fuck! I had to go to fucking Jesus this weekend.
I think like saying he was down like 9% at one point.
He was.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure on the stream he said that.
Yeah, it's just ranges weren't filling. They were just bouncing back off.
Yeah. People trade their credit fund.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's just like, for example, like here, it seems to be last month more of the move was happening like with these levels that it bounces off, like the big pushes here. And then when we look to try and take a closure above, it just fucking ranges until NY and then pushes again. Like I was getting trapped in this bullshit. So then I like aggressively manage. It would have actually stayed in for most of them, but so you need to try and get this initial push. It happened literally all the way through. So yeah, we'll see how this GJ reacts here. Owlie's got no top wick as well. 4 hour just making the low wick, so it makes sense for these GJ buys to happen. We just gotta wait on here. I mean, already, I'm not gonna lie, if you actually take a look and see what happened, we could have a W already here, and we could have a 15 celery there. So, I wanted to kind of dump into the zone a little bit harder. But it's still there. Because that would be nice to reflip the hourly.
The bullish closure above that is also above the 50%.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So that could be quite nice. And goalie's kind of already done it. Can you see? It's just, yeah, it's already kind of into it.
Yeah, you got 4th of July and stuff coming up soon, so.
Yeah. That's tomorrow, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, Don's not streaming, is he? Today and tomorrow.
No.
It's Canada Bank Holiday, and then it's Canada Bank Holiday today? Yeah. And then tomorrow's 4th of July, yeah. Max, what would you say is decent spread? Because I'm getting 2 pips on GJ right now. Ooh, let's take a look. I'm getting 0.9. I think around like 1 to 1.2 pips is good. I think 2 pips is... it's alright. It depends, man. It depends. Like, things have changed now. Like, you don't really want 10 pips off GJ no more. So it's alright. Like, just back in the day, we want like 10 pips on GJ. If your spread's 2, that's 20% just eaten already. Whereas like now we're looking for like more like 20 pips, 25 pips. So I think it's okay. If that's the best you can get, then so be it, eh? So be it.
So if you're on your MetaTrader on your phone, if you look at the price on the left and the right side, so the difference between both prices is your spread.
I don't know, because no, one's a buying one and one's a selling one, so it's not just, you know, because the middle man will be the actual price, and then the difference on both sides will be the spread, I think. Let's see. Let's see.
Because I'm doing a 100K challenge, but I wanted to see what the spreads are.
Oh no, you're right. Yeah. So on the trading on the quotes one, right? If you look at like GJ, it has like a little emblem which is like it looks like a little weird sign, and then it has a number. That's the spread.
Sometimes you have to adjust it to the advanced settings to see that. I don't know.
You mean I don't know? It doesn't look like a W. It looks like a fucking
like two beds that are like put on each other.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what it is. Yeah, I'll put it in the chat just for people to see. Yeah, it's like this.
Oh man, I have almost a 2 pip on GJ, but I have a 1 pip on gold. How does that make sense?
Yeah, so GJ is 0.8 for me, and gold is 0 right now. God dang. Goldie is fire.
Zoom on my phone is the worst thing.
Yeah, it's not the best. This Goldie's still rejecting. Still rejected. But yeah, I don't mean like the
I watched the simulation. I don't know whoever's here and hasn't watched it, but I think everyone should watch it. The 2-hour one.
Yeah.
Something that I'm still like, I understood everything, but something I still want to get more knowledge of is the what's it called? IC and OB and that type of things. Like I noticed, where did I notice this? So if you look on gold, right, we came down to tap on IC during Asian, right? So this to the left on the 30 minutes.
Like this one here, kind of before the push.
Yeah.
There. That's yeah.
Okay, so that's a lot, and IC is actually a celery play.
So it's like an IC. From what I understand, it's an interruption candle. IC interruption candle. So price is already pushing here, but then this bearish candle had a little interruption. So this whole level here could act as support. Yeah. And then look what happened. Price came in and bounced off it. Your entry would have been the celery there, which was also a W. Stop loss below.
Okay.
But now there's also another one which isn't more of an order block now because it's before the push, whereas this was with the push. So this is the candle before the push, so it's this area here that price loves to go and tap and then push up from.
So order block is actually it's not a small zone, it's like a big zone, a level, a price level. So
yeah, and like they can be on different time frames, like they can be on the 30 and the hourly. Yeah, they can be quite a lot. So this GJ is already reacting to it, which is nice.
You know what's weird? Yeah, this challenge, I can log in on my phone, but I can't log in on the fucking broker on my computer.
What, really? Nah, you must
be able to. Bro, it says the server's called EU Live, and then on the platform itself, so I only have live, and it doesn't log me in, but on my phone it does log me in.
Oh.
Send them an email, but I already see what they want. They want people to trade on their phones.
Yeah, they want them all to trade on their phones, man. So where would we back up to the highs? Yeah, I mean like 750 again. So just watching GJ do its thing. But in terms of our rules, yeah, I mean, the 15 celery here could be nice. 5 minutes left for this candle, though, so we'll have to wait for that. But you can already see that there's a W there. There's an IC, and we'll be above the 50%. So it's got everything we need. Okay, so that's good. Obviously, what we need to do is to break above, like, 470. So it's got a while, and I'd rather it push down a little bit further. So, yeah.
Are you seeing the IC on the... Can you show me where you see the IC?
Yeah, so if you go on the 30-minute, this is the bearish candle before the push. So it starts, actually starts there. 1 second, yeah, like 340. So we've just tapped into it.
Okay,
and you go on the 15.
15?
Yeah, the 15. So the 15 is lower, so it's like here. This is the candle before the push there. But
yeah.
on the 30,
Look,
obviously,
and
it's
look on the left side when we started pushing up before that consolidation.
Yeah,
the left side. Yeah, no, the one higher.
Oh, this one there. So this one here, yeah. So this one you could have used also as confidence of taking that buy there.
Oh my days! How many fucking celeries?
This is what I'm saying, bro. They're all fucking celeries. That's how you get in. Literally every single push was from celery. One there. One there. There's fucking loads.
Oh my days, I mean,
this
the
one
first
here was a celery.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, there's loads. Look, one here, there. That's the one that you would have taken. They happen all the time. Another one there. Which, well, it wasn't a celery because it closed, but it would have been a celery. A little bit longer. But yeah, there's a lot. Do, 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 do. So 475 would be where I'd want to get in. Stop loss would be 326. And then obviously it would be to ride it back to 750 really. And then you might have a runner as well. Overall, in terms of everything else though, we've got everything else. So okay, I've got a buy stop on guys at 475, so above this candle here. So it'll be breaking the previous two, it'll be tapping into this level. We've got the 50%, we're coming back above again. We've got a W formation. So it's everything that I've been going through in the most recent times. Stop loss will be below the W, which is there. Like it'll be 328. Okay. I got a little bit of slip there.
Yeah, same.
But I'm in.
I've been getting slipped like a motherfucker. So.
Look at the 5 minute and the 15. I mean, this is all clean up. So, I mean, it should really just push this. Yeah. I mean, back up to this high would be nice. It's a new hourly in 2 minutes time, but I'm not asked. It's going to reflip this. The hourly could close bullish here, which would be nice as well. So we closed, has to make obviously a lower wick here, but it's looking good. It's a strong candle. We're already in. What's your real entry? My entry is 478. What's TP? Be back up to the highs, 730. We'll see. I mean, I might just get a 1-to-1 to start off this beautiful week. We'll see. We'll see how we push. Looking like very, very strong volume coming in though. It's good at 7 o'clock. Normally does. Good morning, Lemon. Hope you're doing well, my man. Wow. Wowza. That was my concern. I placed the buy stop at the flip instead. Yeah, that's fair. Good idea, good idea. Yeah, if you're not in already, then you could just wait now for the reflip. GJ doing June flashbacks. Let's take a look. It's an untested level of 613. Oh, come on, hourly man. That's a fucking big lower wick. Oh, God. So just waiting for the hourly low wick to form. Obviously, it's got to respect the previous one, but that's what it should be respecting. That's the support. Obviously, the hourlies do make some low wicks every so often. Even on the sims, we see that, but for the most part, we should still hold. Dude. Gold doing the same thing. Pretty much here, can you see? Come back down. Overall bullish. Just retesting at the moment. Hey Max, does this new strategy work on gold? Yes. Yes, sir. Stop is at 326. Yeah, this hourly low wick has been pretty aggressive. Oh god, GJ. To be honest, you can look for re-entries. Obviously, this hourly is a bit aggressive. I didn't expect it to push as hard, but the reflip of the hourly could be fine. Right, and I'm out. Okay, wow. So that was a big low wick for the hourly. Didn't expect it to push that hard, but anyway, we'll wait on. Yeah, so we've got to wait. Obviously, in this zone, it still can hold this zone. It can still play around in here. It just might be a little bit later on. But that was quite an aggressive push. Was there any news coming out here at 7 o'clock? German. Oh no, it's tomorrow. Nope. Nope. It has not. Though it's not a strong support on W. It had other stuff on, not just the W. The W was just added confluence. It was holding an order block. It was above the 50% level. Overall, we're bullish. And that's the ones that I've been working again and again. So, yeah, maybe this hourly, in terms of waiting for it, maybe wait for this hourly to make the low wick. But once this reflips, I'm going to get in again. And if this 50-minute candle closed bearish, then it would be a celery again. And it would also be a W again. So, yeah, maybe a bit unfortunate with the hourly. When are you coming back from vacation? Like the 14th. Yeah. that's on. 1 second. Not playing with GJ first day of the month. Yeah, it's... Wow, look at that candles, man. Rejected pretty hard. We gotta wait. Just a little bit longer. Stage lights percentage. Oh yeah, well, 1 second. So just keep an eye on it, because it's an area of reaction. It can reflip pretty quickly here, to be honest. And then we'll be back in the same trade again. What was this? Range 2 sells below 1911. Oh, on Goldie. I'm not playing with sells on gold. I can't be asked. The zone below for sells is being painful. I'd rather just wait for the day to close below, like 1903, 1901, below this support, because it just keeps on holding it. Daily close bullish. Remember that this is just making maybe the lower wick to then reflip later on. So. We gotta hold on. Right, I'm gonna put an alert on here, just in case we're not looking at the time. At 368. But if you look into the Sims and also last week, the amount of ones they've taken, I'm gonna take every single one of them. Maybe at the start of an hourly could be the issue. Maybe wait for the little wick and then reflip. Just saved you. Little discrepancy there, but I like the closure, man. The closure was strong, especially with the start of an hour. I expected maybe a little bit of a push, but nope. We gotta hold on. Does anyone know where they want to take sells? I mean, the sells on the hourly, this looks like a Raja trade, to be fair, on the hourly. The hourly doesn't look bad. The 30s is a little bit of an issue. That's the only. But the hourly looks okay to come down. Goldie. Can you explain why you didn't like the first, the gold sells in the first 30-minute bearish? What, this one here? I didn't like how we were stepping up, and we were very much too close to breaking it. The 4 hour also closed very, very strongly bullish, rejecting, stepping up. I don't know. What trade would that have been? It could have been maybe an M if you looked at it, but it was not nice traffic. I didn't like it. Sorry, not nice price action. Close your back in the zone. Well, it never closed in the zone. It never closed out of the zone. Yeah, it's just played that little range over here. In terms of people looking at the sells, though, would you want it below 1914.7, or would you want it like below 1914 or 1912? I said 1912 would be okay. Maybe. We'll have to see. That seemed like a stupid trade from you, Max. Which one is the playbook was it even from? It's the new strategy. If you haven't been here long, you wouldn't have known it. If you weren't here last week. But last week on Friday I took the exact same trade. Well, it's a different way because it was a Asian fake out, but it's the same confluences. This one actually had more because it had 50% with us. So wait up, it's still respecting right now. It's still holding. Only gets really kind of stopped if this breaks this low, these lows here. The Asian lows. And that's how the first day of most months' confidence faded away. Ah, it's fine, man. It's a long month ahead. Yeah, and there's actually been a lot of times recently where it comes back to it again. There's been some happening like 12 o'clock where it comes back, like here, yeah. So they happen all day as well, which is nice. I like. The only difference is now if you got in, stop loss would be 28, zone's 25, so the RTRs may be a little bit off, but still get something out of it. So this Goldie's coming back down. As I say, the hourly doesn't look too bad, it's just this fucking zone below is always painful. Let's take a look at the left and see. Yeah, it's hard, man. And the daily candle just making a little wick. Where's the daily wicking to as well? 1914, which is a big support. It's held before, so that's another issue as well for the sells for me anyway. I just still can't believe how we are on GJ, man. 183. 183. Where is Elohe this morning? He's been drinking again. He's been hungover. Was he the one posting lots of pictures in as well? I think he was. Let's take a look. Jeez. It's top G. Top G in the building. Man's relaxing. He's got the crystal vapes. When the tequila hits. You can see it's still respecting it at the moment.
Sniper guy. Sniper guy. What's up, team?
What's up? What's up? Good one, man. You just missed us take a quick L.
Yeah, I check it out right now, the signal, and I see the graphic. I say, what the guys do?
Yeah, the owlies ripped me. A new asshole.
No problem, man. Just start the week. I wanna prepare my kids to the beach, and I just come here in a couple of minutes.
Taking them to the beach?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, vacation times with the school. Go all the kids to the beach.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, better than staying home with the fathers.
Does your kids tell the other kids that you surf?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Sometimes, no, in this year, but a couple years ago, my daughter said, my father's in the competition. I need to stop a break. I'm seeing Google how he's going. Yeah, he's good, guys. Go down?
Yeah, go down. Go down pretty well here.
But he's still there.
It's breaking Asian lows, breaking 4-hour lows. It's just the daily support here that's rough. So my only issue is this. Look here. Big support. So here's GJ again coming up, which is what I expected again, but it's a shame that the Owlie had to rip at me, and you asshole, before. Still holding it though. It actually in the 15-minute touched the 15-minute one. And M where? At the high? There was one that people were saying about it, but I didn't really like the look of it. I couldn't really see it. But it worked though. What we're entry looking at would be the re-break of this, so it'd be 513 would be the entry. The issue is now the stops are quite big, 28 pips. But it's a W again, it's a 50%, it's exactly the same trade, it's just a little bit later on. Obviously the celery would happen if this closed bearish, then we break the highs. That's kind of what I want. So we'll see. I'm in at this point. Wait. 15 goodbye. 238. It came back in. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, I mean, maybe just waiting for that hourly low wick would have been nicer. Now you can get in, you know, on the flip or the break of the high. 3 minutes left for this candle to close. I kind of want this to close so then I can get the celery on the 30. It's a 3 minute M. Do you mean W or M? Or W, yeah. Goldie, where are you going, brother? Do you want to break? But yeah, as I say, I'm not looking at taking sells in gold here. This 4 hour support is way too big. Way too big. W and gold would be nice. Holds it, yeah. Later on. Little shit you are, GJ. That lower wick was a bitch. Nice. Did you get them a little bit lower? Yeah, you looked at the 15 one. Boom, 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 boom. Show. Okay, so the 15 closed. I'm gonna have a buy stop here now on the 30-minute break. Like 515. Yeah, I mean, what we could do here is we could maybe use current low if you want to put your stops, because this obviously stop is quite far away. Stop loss now would be like 28. I somehow got 2 pip spreads. I think a lot of people have. Replace buy stops. Yeah, I'm gonna do it now, man. So, retry after this made me the lower wick. Buy stop on the 30-minute celery. I mean, could you get in now? You could get in a little bit early after breaking the 50-minute highs there. I'll give your stops a little bit of an easier go. How big would your stops be here? 22. It's not bad, you know. Could you do stops here now? Going up to the W again. Save yourself 8 pips. Do you know what, guys? I think I'm going to get in now. I think it's going to save me. Okay, I got in, guys. So, got in right about 465. Stop loss is going to be below. So, I'll get rid of this one now. Let's get rid of that. Makes the RTR a little bit better, and we've also still got everything on our side. Just getting in a little bit earlier. We're in 50-minute break of the high, nice.
You are in?
Yeah, how you got in?
I want to jump now.
Yeah, you can. We're getting on the 50-minute break of the high. Yeah, Goldie's still holding at the moment.
What is the enter?
I got in like 4, 6.
My enter is bad. It's 95.
What?
No, man. Fucking spread.
Fucking hell, your spread's ass. 495. Damn. Okay, so 30-minute celery happening right now. So we got in at a good advantage point now, which is nice. Thinking about going break even 83.669. Wait, what? What trade is that? What pair is that?
Lojimão.
Break even 50 lows. So we've got 20 minutes left for 8 o'clock as well. 8 o'clock volume will come. No stop loss, gang. And I got 1.4 spreads, but peaked at 3. That's mad, that 3. 3 pip spreads. Just look at mine. Yeah, mine's 1.3. 1.1 at the moment. Gold is so wild, man.
What is the TP, Max?
750.
8350?
Yeah, 750, yeah.
You write this signal in the group? Ah, yeah, 750.
Yeah, 750. Someone's pulling the Glock. Pow, pow.
No, it's just my finger. Yeah, let's see. Let's make some coffee.
Oh yeah, I need to drink my coffee. I'll go cold.
Cold coffee is good for the skin.
Yep. Oh yes. So yeah, I just needed to break that hourly high there. Previous hourly high, and it will be good. So we'll just wait on for that. It'll be 2 minutes. Break even will be, you know, when we're up like 10-15 pips. I don't want to go break even too early here, because once we get above here, there's nothing really stopping us. You know? Okay, so I mean you're up 10 pips right now. Zone those still good, so I just want to, you know, a little bit more of a drive, and then we can go break even. But depending where your entry is, you know, if you got in like lower, like 420, then yeah, we break even here. But overall, it's looking good. Just close bullish. Has to make the lower wick again, which is okay. $183.48 minus $183.465. These 15 lower wicks. Lord have mercy. The spread on GJ is mad crazy. Yeah, I think people are having some really bad spreads on GJ at the moment. Place to go retest at least 507 here. Obviously, in a perfect life, we'd want this to just break the high straight away and push, but the low wick is normally having to form, especially when I'm in a trade at the moment. The low wick always comes. Fuck off. Just break the high, you tosser. Would you look to manage risk if it comes to entry, or will we wait for 8? Yeah, we'll wait for 8. I mean, you know, you could go break even now. Shouldn't really come back to entry. So yeah, once we start reflipping here and breaking high, I'm just going to go break even, I think. There you go, so I'm going to go break even now. A risk-free trade. like 11 pips.
Older?
I mean, you know, you're up 16 pips now, coming towards 8 o'clock. Yeah, I mean, you could just take some off over here. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, but I want this closed before 8 o'clock.
Why do you close 8%?
Yeah. So, I mean, yeah, you know, we're coming towards 8 o'clock. The low wick and the hourly can be quite aggressive. Already up like 16 or so pips. Obviously, it's not a one-to-one, but it's decent enough. So, yeah, I'm deciding where to close.
Quer vir procurar a Xuxa?
Right, guys, I'm going to close 80% here. So close 80%, guys. Coming towards 8 o'clock. And now we've got a runner on. Okay, got a runner. If this 8 o'clock wants to drive and break these highs, then wow, we're gonna get a nice runner over here. So yeah, beautiful stuff, guys. I mean, my analysis this morning was correct. It's just unfortunate that we had to push down to the 15. That's something to be aware of. You know, if there's a 30-minute celery and the 15's there as well, then you know it may go and tap the 15. To be fair, the other trade I was still happy with. So, yeah. Oh, Louis, no. So yeah, close there at like 16. And yeah, that was your analysis for this morning. The buys to continue bullish to the highs again. Overall trend is bullish. Very, very simple. My first entry was fine. It's exactly how I'd play it. It's just unfortunate that the hourly had to make a lower wick, which the lower wick was quite aggressive. It went and tapped the 50-minute order block, which starts here. Can you see that we just tapped it? So, beautiful, guys. Put some W's in the chat if you guys took it. If you guys had the balls to go for it again. I'll tell you, though, they work out all the time. I was just maybe a little bit unfortunate with the hourly. I should have maybe waited for the hourly to make a lower wick. Beautiful trade called over here. Second attempt. Amazing stuff. Up a good amount now. Very, very
Max, nice trade, buddy. I take double trade in that one.
Beautiful, brother.
And I take 25 pips. And I close full because I need to leave for a little minute.
Yeah, Beautiful, man. Well done.
That makes 200 more.
Good job. Good job.
See you, buddy.
Good job. So let's just draw up gold. We obviously have this area here, candle before the push. This whole area could act as a order block. Actually, a continuation, but anyway. So we're coming to that. We've obviously got the Asian sweep of the lows, which is interesting. There's already a W on Goldie, which is quite nice. Already nearly been a celery. Obviously, it's very, very close to the hourly, so I'd rather wait a little bit longer here. But yeah, you could have the same trade on gold here in a second. So yeah, man, you know, sticking to my guns. As I said, people said that was a stupid trade at the start. I think the only thing stupid about it was that the hourly lower wick fucking raped me. You know, the lower wick was aggressive. I should have maybe waited for the lower wick to form and then get in on the re-break, which it never would have done. But it's the same analysis, beautiful stuff, easy work. Again, this has happened again and again. Friday was the exact same trade. We took it. Obviously, I hit break even, but very, very nice. Ran 110 pips on yesterday. So yeah, now you've got to decide to yourself. We are at daily resistance, 4-hour resistance, hourly resistance. You got to decide, is it worth me leaving a runner on? Or is it worth me just closing full? In my personal opinion, you know, it's always a pain at the highs. So I think I may just close here, guys.
Max, I put something in the chat. There could be an order block at the top as well, maybe.
Let's take a look. Yeah.
Maybe take out Asian high and daily high, and if it closes back below, possibly.
Yeah, I like the 5. Yeah. 100%. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, man, I mean, I think for me personally, I'm just going to close full now. Yeah, I close full. So there we go, I closed TP2 right at them highs. Good job, it's me done. That's a me done. So overall we've got like 25 pips on that, which is nice. Nice comeback, yeah, exactly. It's the same trade, same analysis. So yeah, that's it done. Do you trade on August, Max? Yes. And there we go. So close at the right time there. Going towards big rejection. Hourly's about to close. So yeah. So the 15 celery is about to happen on gold. It's going to be swooping the Asian lows. It would not surprise if Brian's going to be breaking the high here now and getting in. I'm going to wait a little bit longer. Because I'm scared of the hourly low wick. It is though. It is on Sims. To be fair, it's just those little things. It's like really. On GJ. Should have took the re-entry, bottled it. It's alright, Craigie. You know, it's a new setup. You know, it's a new setup. It's gonna take you a while, especially when I've just taken one and it just ripped me a new asshole. It's obviously gonna put you off 100%. But yeah. What's the percentage now? I think I'm down a little bit. But yeah, again, you know, it's this thing, right? You know, that was maybe a little bit of a hiccup there with the hourly making the lower wick, but the overall, you know, if you keep on taking these trades every single day, which they happen when price is bullish, you're gonna be good. Down 0.7. Yeah, how much am I? Yeah, it's a shame that the losing trade just rips. Maybe close. Yeah, I think we closed okay on this one. Could have maybe held to 750. Did actually tap it nearly. But coming towards 8 o'clock, man, this thing can retrace pretty hard. Gotten the retest of the W? No. So I will not be getting the retest, mainly for the fact that this lower wick can be aggressive. It's the new hourly, isn't it? So the retest would be a little bit scary. I'm just going to wait on. See if we can get a nice lower wick here. Watch this one run off nothing. Down, down. 1915.6 would be where I get in. Just have to wait for this low wick. Okay, so I mean it's made the lower wick now. I've got a buy stop on the break of this high. It's made the lower wick now, so I'm happy with it. Buy stop above here. Yeah, 1915.6. It's got a W, it's swooping the Asian lows, we're retesting to big support. So yeah. Oh, bye, honey. Love y'all. Wait. Oh, man, I'm just in the trade. Wait. Okay, love you. See you later. Have a great day. Okay, not in yet. Max, you in? No, not yet. Hasn't broken yet. 19.38. Stop loss will be 1913.38. Okay, I'm in. Stop loss below. Now, where could you target? Well, the 5 minute has an area here. So first target is probably going to be 1917. If you look on the 5, the retest areas there, that's when we can have maybe a little bit of trouble. So that's where we should get to. And then the next one would be, yeah, like 19. Let me just put this in charge. Has broken the hourly. Yeah, the hourly didn't close below though. Sells. 30-minute close bullish, swoop the Asian lows. Overall, we're bullish. We're stepping up. As long as this holds, we should drive back up. How did GJ do? Yeah, rejected. Look at that. So straight to the highs. 8 o'clock comes, rips it back down. So yeah, it's just knowing that, you know, if it's gonna break, it needs to close above, and we weren't there yet. We were still quite low. I had to close above like 850, man. It's gonna be hard. My ball's gonna grow. Your balls are gonna be bigger than they've ever been before. Your balls are gonna be ballsier than they've ever been.
Yo, can you see me?
Hello, hello, yeah. Bro, is it a buy or a sell? Oh my god, well, if you can't look at the... People looking for sells in gold, I'll go through it, but yeah. How much of your position you close off at TP1? Like 80%. We'll see how this runs, to be honest with you, because this is clean. This whole zone's clean. If you actually look here on the 15, it's just the 5 has a little bit of an issue there. So you could, if you want, just get the drive, go break even there, and get more of the move. It depends on what you want, you know. What?
I just heard some truck like fucking beep his horn like bare like aggressive. Like someone almost got ran over.
Oh my god. To start off their Monday morning.
Yeah. It's a good fucking morning then.
Yep. Go to sleep now. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Max, manage risk if this 5 minute closes below previous 5 minute low. Nah, man, I don't touch management of these. They hold, man. And also, anyway, the R to R on them is huge, so I don't mind taking a couple L's on a lot of them. I can get like 2-3% from. But again, it's yeah, managing too aggressively on these. Like overall, you've got to stop below a whole support and IC as well. Like it's a big level. Ban user Karma Effects. Man, Karma Effect got some ops. Got some ops lacking.
Bro, this trade's finna hit. It's gonna flip the daily and it's gonna drive.
Yep. Just gotta break that high and then we'll be good. Look at the FOIA rejecting the support. Hourly didn't close below. 30-minute close bullish back in the Asian range. Swoop in the Asian lows. From track record, this motherfucker should break 1920. So there's another 15 closure bullish.
I went back for the weekend to look at the setup, the sweep, and then closure back in the range. Three worked out like back to back.
Yeah. And they all ran, a lot. It's not like they were running like, fucking 20 pips. They all ran like fucking 100 after, because you're getting the whole zone back up. I need to get some water. Be 1 sec. Yeah, good. Keep on dumping gold, GJ. Push this goalie back up. Will you check my chart for StreamMax? Sure thing, I will do after this. Yeah, it's mainly, I mean, around here, it's not mainly like candles breaking lows and stuff. Like, you know, the 15 just broke previous low. It's the whole zone being held. That's the trade, you know. Good morning, guys. Good morning, AM. Hope you're doing well, brother. Good morning. Good morning. Fast, crazy boy. I am not managing these trades ever. Ever, 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 ever. Because it's just the zone that's holding. 5 minutes just retesting what I see there, but you should hold. But yeah, good management there if you're not feeling too comfortable with it. 15 breaking the previous low. That's true, Craig, exactly. Can always re-enter, but you can't re-enter a losing trade. I used to always say that. How was the weather like? The weather was actually nice in the weekend. It was cool. It was nice and cold. Whereas recently it's been way too hot. Way too nippy. Getting manhandled by this trade. Not at all. It's just chilling at the moment. I mean, as long as it didn't break that low, it's still valid. It can do whatever it wants in this zone. So I'm happy with that. Where did Brian get in? Because Brian got in as well. think you got in at 15.4. Looks like. Brian's out. Hasn't even pushed at all yet. Ah, he went break even quick. So it's 8:24. 6 minutes left for this 30. How much profit do we get into? Yeah, only 6 pips. Wasn't a lot. So the way that I would actually manage is if this 30-minute closes below support, then I'll manage it there, 100%. But for me, it's still good. The reason is because if you look at the 15 here, the reason why I still like it is because we rejected support here, we had rejection wicks here, we had resistance there. So it is a very strong zone. But yeah, if the 30 closes below, then it's not the nicest. You got 10 pips. Oh, nice session, my man. I just did it. Like the candles form, no push. Yeah, that's true. It's good management. You just wanted that push. Five minute no bottom wick, get out. My sells are -1% right now. Yeah.
What do you think, my boy?
I think gold go up still. Depending on how this 30 closes, we'll see. Hovering around my entry. Just hovering.
Mm.
We're definitely not bear. Everyone's going bearish, bullish. They don't know. Everyone's like, it's fucking bearish, and then everyone's like, it's fucking bullish with one candle flip. Like if your bias changes so quickly from that, you need to learn a bit more, man. If you tell me how gold is bearish just looking at that 30-minute chart, I don't know how you can see that's bearish yet. It's just stepping up.
You didn't lose structure, so it's good.
Yeah.
So I see a low, high lows.
Yeah.
High. So it's good.
Yeah. Just needs to get past this fucking 620, 1620. Hush.
I'm thinking of holding it on to the high.
Yeah. I'm not gonna close at TP1 just yet. Yeah, I'll see how it dries because we've been chilling here for a while now. Okay, Goldie's just closed again, bullish on the 15. Has to make a lower wick again. This is when you sweat your nutsack for another fucking 10 minutes and then we get a push. Move stops to previous 30-minute. You could do, yeah. I'm still betting on the zone, so I don't really care if it breaks the low. I'm betting on the zone holding. And we're still closing bullish, so... But you could just manage it on the 30-minute low there if you wanted to. If that's what you feel comfortable with and happy with, 100%. That'll be moving your stop loss from like 20 to 10.
Laput.
What's up, guys?
What's up? You been
Look like
drinking?
James Bond.
Yeah, man, I'm hungover.
No shit.
No shit. Oh, my wife's so mad the other day in the party with me, bro.
Why?
Look, I control myself in the
You
party.
drink too much.
And I don't talk with any fucking girl. But in one moment, one come talk with me.
Ah.
I stay be quiet.
Mm-hmm.
I just respond. I just fucking respond. You know, I don't make conversation. I just, okay, I'm good. Watching my wife in the dancing, everything. And the guy and the girl talking, you know, I have other friends together with me. And the girl stay up there, but man, I'm drunk. I just listen, you know. And my wife come, and I tell the girl, oh, look, this is my wife. This is the friend of the guy at the party, you know, blah, blah, blah. And the girl look into my wife, say, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, really, really, really sorry. And I look the girl and say, hey, you talk to sorry to my wife for what?
Yeah, that makes it look sus.
We just conversation here. What the fuck are you doing? And she looking to my wife say, yes, I know, but I when I come here I have with the other intention. What happened, Pamela?
Bro, I swear I thought it was your wife in the
and I tell the guy, I say, what the fuck you ask to take sorry to my wife if we just have a fucking conversation, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And she say, yeah, I know, but I think that you are single. I say, you see the fucking big ring I have in my finger? And you talk with me for 10, 15 minutes. And you ask for sorry to my wife? What's wrong with you? You know, because right now you say sorry, leave, and you leave you and leave me alone with the fucking iceberg here.
When I heard someone's voice, I thought it was your wife, bro.
Yeah,
I swear to God. We were about to get smacked.
Yeah.
Man, my wife gave me a fucking big slap.
A big one.
That one. And I say, okay, man, do whatever you want. The day they I fucking control myself. I'm not doing fucking nothing wrong.
the one fucking, day.
I tell he the other day, the morning, I say, I can't remember the fucking face of the girl, you know? I don't know the name, I don't know any nothing. I don't speak. You know, I don't do nothing. If the girl making noise in his hair, maybe because he need a hug, but not mine. All right, it's happened. No,
that's life.
It's life.
It happens to the best.
Yes.
Driving home 300 kilometers with not speak. You know. Yeah. And the next day, Max gave me this fucking gold trade.
Life's going great.
It's not over yet, brother. It's not over yet.
I know. Everything's gonna happen here. Oh my God.
It is very slow though at this
level. We have a fucking good hotel, you know, everything amazing.
Yeah, that's rough. Just because that one last is fucking... I was apologizing. Oh.
What do you think? Manage the risk or not?
I don't really want to manage it yet on this support, but it is just fucking around here. But more of a drive, to be honest. But until we get a closure like 15 or 30 minute below, it's, for me, it's still okay. That's so funny. Gold cells.
But I'm good with myself because I know I don't do nothing wrong.
Exactly. These fucking low wicks. Just break the high in the 15. So yeah, come back down now. It's just getting a little bit boring. In terms of the 5, yeah, I mean we'll see the 15 closure. Might manage. can't believe fucking Brian and them all got out at 10 pips, even though they always hold like fucking 30 pips, which is mad. But anyway, it's...
But Brian take the same trade?
He took the same trade, but he got out at 10 pips. They just wanted a little drive.
Sneaky guy. I think I want to jump out. I think I want to close.
Yep.
Then my ball's not too big.
That last fucking 15 low weight just ripped. It was looking good though. We were holding it, we were closing still in it, which is nice. And again, it's like, you know, yeah, you might lose here, there's 20 pips, but when it does play out, man, you know, the push can be pretty nice, which is good. Gold will probably not continue before sweeping Asian lows, but it already did that. Already swooped the Asian lows here.
The only thing that what got me against this is the previous 4 hour broke the 4 hour low. And I've seen when that happens, bro, we just keep going.
How good would this be if it keeps you in by 1 pip? Because you've always been stopped out by 1 pip.
Oh man. Yeah.
No, it doesn't work that way.
No, it doesn't. I have no luck.
The trading gods aren't like that.
I'm still in. Nah, I'm still in.
God.
My stop is 1913.38. It's very close.
I just got out in like $50 profit because I was like, I don't like it when it just plays around.
Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.
Yeah, I'm out. So now coming back, this obviously zone is still a massive level. For sells, I'd still be a little bit cautious just because of the level. The 4 hour here has got a massive wick area. So I'm not looking for the sells. But yeah, beautiful stuff, man. I mean, it was quite an aggressive Monday. GJ was the play. Fortunate with a little wick on the hourly. It would have been quite nice taking that winner there just with the winner. But yeah, I'll have to see. Might have to come down a little bit further over here. Am I still gonna watch for these buys? 100%. I think it's the same thing again on GJ. Maybe wicking down a little bit further into this zone.
Yeah, Max, if you look on the 5, there's another order block which is a bit lower than the 15 one. Yeah.
That was one like there. This one here, yeah.
It could tap into that and come back out.
Yeah.
But there is he already touched the 50% of the candle that closed last day, you know. It's very possible that he coming back up. You don't see that one, Max?
Wait, coming back up bullish or bearish?
You know, come back up.
Yeah, I agree. So let this push, see how it reacts there.
If you take this next gold buy, it would be what, like 4 trades in an hour and a half?
Yep. You just put this line on here. This is the area where it could go tap first. Look at that 4 hour res, 4 hour support, all those wicks. Ugh. I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer. It's still only 8:40. So 16 minutes left. This 30. Still got a lot of time. Let's play a little Wordle. Let's do a little Wordle. Let's see how quick we can do this bad boy. Are they green or yellow? When they're both the same color, I get struggle. Mine looks fucking yellow.
They're yellow.
Yellow, okay. Are they still all yellow?
Yeah,
I think so. Pedal. I don't know. Ciao.
Gonna back down from 1910. Yeah. I'll be looking to get back in like there.
I'm gonna do some work. See you guys later.
See you guys later, my man. See you later. Let's score.
Yeah. Body goes.
If people in gold sells, where are your guys' targets? When did you ICT your strategy? I've never seen you trade order blocks, normally breakouts. Breakouts don't work no more. So you just gotta adapt. There's barely any breakouts. Do 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 do. TP1 will be 1908.8, TP2 will be 1906.8. I think if it did continue down, yeah, this is a good level to take some off. Where's that? Yeah, 2006.8 would be nice down here. If it respects it. So yeah, watch. If this, so obviously the 15's closed below. If this 50-minute closes back above, I'm fucking balls deep in this. Celery would be there. It would be another big W as well. So I'll be back in it if it breaks this high. I posted a chart for reference and 1 hour closed below and flipped back previous. Yeah, Owly did not close below for me. Let's take a look at my MetaTrader. Yeah, Owly didn't close below for me. But yeah, if this closes below on the Owly, then I'll leave it until NY.
He's wanna up again.
Huh?
Gonna go up again.
Yep. It's gonna be deja vu like GJ just before. We'll see. Right now it's still bearish, still pushing down, but there's a big area.
Well, do you like she go back like 88?
What? What for sells?
No, to try to go back, buy again.
Oh, to 1988?
Yeah.
It's fucking ages away, but yeah, I mean, if we step up and break 22, we'll get to
90.
will get to 28, 29. If you get above 38, then you'll get back up to 47, which is, yeah, that is.
Because I believe he go like 24 easy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Do.
Minutes.
So we'll see. Look at the 5. Yeah, we're just tapping into it now. And what's GJ doing? GJ's coming down. Yeah, it's coming back down to that support over here. Very nice. GJ was good, man. It was good stuff.
Yeah, it was a nice trade.
Good. It's just a shame that bloody hourly wicking back down first day. Oh my god, she opened. These little wicks have been horrendous. So we've got 10 minutes left for this. 10 minutes left. Then you can maybe wait for 9:30 to see a little bit more. So we've got some time to wait. Breakouts don't work anymore. Please elaborate. No, it's just that there's not many breakouts. There's not many breakouts. It's all zone trading, so you gotta adapt to it.
Today I get my magic keys.
Oh, very nice. Have you set them up?
Yes. No, not yet. I ordered them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they're good, man. They do help out a lot.
Yeah, it's easier. You set your trades, take your profits.
Yeah. I think that's a good idea, Harry. Yeah, go half risk.
Max, I don't know if I told you, but when I first started joining the streams and also Don's, I was like, I had no idea what magic keys were. I was like, they were like, oh yeah, we're getting into the trade now. Okay, we're in. I was like, how the fuck have they calculated their lot size and what percent and then do the pips? I was like, I'm fucking using this calculator to work out my pips. I'm like, they're like, they're in. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And it's like when you used to say with the M's, because you'd obviously just move the line based on how the M forms. I'm like, how are they fucking dynamically changing their...
Yeah, straight away.
I was like,
sick for that.
I was like, what's going on? I think even for a beginner, you just get magic keys straight away. There's just no point.
It means you just have to focus on that bullshit of trading.
Yeah. But is it also possible to link your magic keys with TradingView or something? Or it's just MT5 or MT4? Or
yeah, just MT5. Or,
yeah. And you put your statistics of your lines manually in TradingView.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, TradingView is just a little bit easier to like flick through the time frames and stuff.
Yes.
Trade, it just looks a bit shit.
TradingView you use for your analysis and MT5 just for your trade.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Would you consider another GJW? Nah.
Normally I
just trade in the zone.
I only trade on crypto.
Mhm.
But last week the first time with Forex.
Oh
So
yeah.
we will see. Yeah, I didn't place any order yet. Just paper trades.
Mm.
See how it works and everything.
Yeah, I wonder what like, the spread is on like Bitcoin and shit. Like I don't know, like what price would you get in and stuff. It always moves with like news coming out. Like the recent push on Bitcoin was that HSBC, one of the banks in the UK, said that they're gonna offer like crypto and shit and Bitcoin and stuff. So that helped out a lot. Like a big bank like that in the UK like, accepting it is good.
Yeah.
I think I want to buy again.
Well, definitely not yet, but maybe at like 9:30. We'll see. We'll see.
You don't want to move to anywhere over here. There, just if he don't go down.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Well, can you see how slow it's moving down? It's really
Yeah,
not
exactly.
pushing, which is good. It means it's holding. It's just
You know that my stop loss 30 pips.
Yeah, but there are long wicks on the other side, the lower side. So yeah, I think there's a push from.
You wanna push now? The next 10 minutes, 15 minutes, he go back to the area that we
bought before, yeah.
Exactly.
So look at that 4 hour, man. That's why I don't want to take those fucking cells. It's rough around here.
Yeah, the 4 hour is a beach candle.
Strong candle.
Yeah, I don't like the stairs that you making 4 hour.
So many wicks there, but it's still pushing down. People got into cells higher up. Yeah, I'll be break even now. It should drive. If it doesn't, it's good. The thing that I've been seeing recently is just when the buys step in, they're so strong. They just rip. See on the 30, we just tapped this support as well. So yeah, it's gonna well, we'll see. 3 minutes left for this hourly to close. I could go to the toilet, but yeah, still waiting. Maybe 9:30. I've been staying away clear during this session due to so many EU country CPI and PPI numbers coming out, which makes sense to me. Anxious, yeah. I see that. I see that. So hourly close below. So yeah, maybe later on. I think we have to wait a little bit later on. Coming back down now, what you could potentially see is maybe down to 1911. Is where you may go tap. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it off over here today, guys. Beautiful stuff. Two losses, 1 win. Bit unfortunate with the first loss, to be honest, but the second loss I was happy with. Wanted a little bit of a drive. 15s were closing bullish. And yeah. So on to the next one. We'll see you guys in Y session. See you then. Thank you very much for coming on. Adios, amigos. See you later. See you tomorrow as well, guys, on YouTube. Peace out, guys. Adios, adios. We'll wait. Peace out.
See you, Joe. Bye.
See you later. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys later on. Hourly closed. Yeah, come back to support. Gotta wait much later on now. But yeah, still, we'll see how this 4-hour closes as well. 58 minutes left for the 4-hour. So yeah, see you later, guys. Peace out. Adios, amigos.